Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I want to show you how to remove the shifter knob from a Hyundai Kona 2020 1.0 liter petrol, but this may apply to any Hyundai Kona until 2021. So first of all, put it in the second gear, of course for manual. I forgot to tell you, put it in a second gear, just grab on it, but don't grab the trigger, just on this. Yeah, you can do it with two hands. Put a part here and one hand over here and just pull hard towards you. It has a clip, but eventually it will snap off, and that's it. Yeah, put aside the old one, the old destroyed one, buy a new one. I recommend buying from Temu. It's only $10. Yeah, then put it back over here, smack it over the head, and you have a brand new shifter knob. This is the same for Hyundai Tucson, the same shape, but be careful, don't order the one with the thread, order the one without a thread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, short one. Thank you very much. Any question in the comment section below. Thank you, see you, bye.